I keep coming across all these articles and videos which talk about how girlfriends can also claim maintenance from a live-in boyfriend. And of course, it is funny to see men up in arms saying, we cannot even enter relationships now. Well, the lawyers/law students making these videos, as well as the janta getting angry, are all misguided. In the technical sense, a girlfriend, live-in or otherwise, is not entitled to maintenance. However, another thing can definitely happen. Women who claim maintenance are not approaching the court and saying, I am girlfriend, please give me maintenance. They are saying, I am wife of this man. I am entitled to maintenance. Here, the man raises objections such as, I am already married, or the woman herself is still married, or that the formalities of the wedding ceremony did not take place as required by law, and therefore we were not actually husband and wife. Sometimes the husband says, we were never married. It is in this circumstance that the court looks at the welfare of the lady and says that maybe because of some technical difficulty with the law, you may not be married. However, if you live together as husband and wife and you also portray to society at large that you two are indeed husband and wife, then in those circumstances, the technical difficulty should not come in the way of the lady claiming maintenance. Is this still fair? In a society where we cherish feminism, such laws putting upon the man the responsibility of a woman just because they were in a relationship and there was a subsequent breakup feels quite patriarchal to me.